So the first myth is that Jesus is a hybrid that was subject to genetic manipulation by advanced godlike beings. So you see this as being an example of Jesus is a gray human hybrid, and I posted this on the forum. Someone who said this on the forum. So basically, Jesus is a hybrid between a human being and a gray. Jesus is a hybrid between a human and a Pleiadian. Jesus is a hybrid between a human and a Venusian. And what this myth is that Jesus was taken and he became a master because his DNA was altered on a ship, or his DNA was changed by this advanced civilization or this advanced being, and that this is what made him a great teacher. It's the hybridization that he went through that made him a great teacher. This is not true. This is a myth, and I'm going to tell you why. Jesus was a human, okay? Buddha was a human. The great avatars of our past and that will come in our future, and everyone in between, in that Christ stream, is human. It is an organic stream, and the focus is on natural, organic, spiritual evolution. And the focus is through that natural, organic, spiritual evolution, you go through various what are called initiations. Initiations in your return back to your higher self. And these initiations are the process of becoming a master. And your consciousness begins to move and align through the various suns system. And you begin to contain a more and more powerful soul through various lives of initiation. Okay? So he represents something that humanity can achieve organically. He represents something that everybody can do. The same with the Buddha, the same with the great avatars, Krishna, okay? He did not achieve what he achieved because somebody external came in and adjusted his DNA, voila. He earned that ability. He earned that. That is what makes a master. Going through great pain, suffering, confusion, loss, you name it, dark night of the soul, and overcoming it. That is what makes you a master. That is what makes you an ascended being. That is what makes you a Christ figure. And to not understand that is to not understand our own evolution. It is to not understand how we heal, how we evolve. And I understand that we are coming to terms with being interdimensional or multidimensional. And I understand that there are interdimensional beings, and I understand that there are ETs and things like this. But we got to be very careful how we begin to communicate these ideas, okay? So Jesus was an advanced human. And he achieved that. And he got the codes of ascension and he gave them to humanity, okay? So the idea that they were kind of, it was spliced together and things like that, this is denying the very difficult and intense process that the human soul goes through to get where he did, okay?